family. So today we started bringing belongings from the garage out here, and we are starting to officially move. And then later today we have our Old Hickory 10 by 20 shed that's coming, and we will be moving our stuff into that and finding an area to turn into the laundry room and use that little washer that we bought and reviewed, which I'm still so happy about. So we're moving the garage into the cabin.
Too much junk.
So if you watched the last video, we cleared out the cabin. Okay, so this is just temporary because there's no windows. The shed is coming, so we'll move this into the shed. We're taking it off the trailer right now in the interim because we need to move the truck and trailer. And so there we go. So it's official, you guys. We're really moving. Now I have to find a remote nursing job, which is a whole nother adventure. So we're wondering if these are bear scratch marks on the floor of the cabin. Looks like at some point he probably laid here, probably hibernated in the cabin.
It's got all kinds of urine left behind right here in the middle.
Oh, so you think that's pee?
Yeah,
bear
they
pee?
do, because they pee and everything else when they're sleeping. A flying grasshopper.
Yeah, it's kind of like a flying grasshopper. You don't have to be afraid of him. Look at his little face.
Yeah.
Hi, little face.
So cute.
Oh, but it won't zoom in on his little face. Look, you don't have to be scared. This is a nature adventure. Look at that pretty little dragonfly.
They don't sting.
They don't sting. Come over here and you can see his eyes. Okay, come around the front. Okay, look at, do you see the little white part on his face?
Yeah.
That's where his eyes are.
But it was a little guy.
Yep, he got hurt.
Yeah, he ran into this pole and then fell in the back of the truck.
He knocked himself out.
Yeah.
Well, that's to fly over the truck.
Yeah, so hopefully he recovers so he can fly away.
I'll go put him in a tree. Okay?
And there's another one.
That's a bee.
It was another dragonfly. So we're emptying this water barrel to water the plants.
It's kind of heavy to hand carry, so.
And Papa, I want this one.
Okay, well, you hang on to that.
And she loves to do the water. This is the elderberry that we cut all the way back. And because it's growing under the cabin, look how healthy it looks now. Here's a follow-up on her garden. So pathetic.
Oops. Got a little hot, I'd say.
So some black-eyed Susans and some daisies might come back next year.
Waterfall. It's a waterfall.
We got some grass, some volunteer grass growing here.
Mama, look, I made a waterfall.
Oh good, the dragonfly. Oh good, the dragonfly. He's just fine, Harper. He's playing in the moon dust. But on a serious note, he's getting the area ready for the shed that's coming in this afternoon. Looks like he'll be able to push it further back. We have to make a 40 by 40 foot opening in this area for the well drillers to come in and place a well, which we might not be able to do until this cabin comes down, or take out some trees. Oh wow. What? It moves. Oh my gosh, I didn't. Oh man. Isn't that cool? I know, those wheels, they turn. It's like a remote control. That is cool. Meet the new shed. Shelly the Shed. Should we name it?
Shelly the Shed.
Shelly the Shed. Because isn't this a she shed?
It could be, yeah. I'm down. It could be a she shed.
Or is it Harry the Shed or Henry the Shed? Because it's a he shed. So this was a repo. Has lofts already in it. Check it out. We're back up into our city house garage. And all I could think of is the fact that we're going from this easy living, clean, big house to dirt. We're gonna go live in the moon dust in a little box.
It's gonna be adventurous.
We're going on an adventure.
Yeah. Everything's paid for.
But we'll be debt free.
Debt free and able to do whatever we want. Build whatever we want out there.
We just have to be filthy dirty and look like this for the next year.
Or so.
Not or so. No.
We might like the dirt.
No.
Want to keep it that way, living in a little camper.
No.
Okay. Shower time.
Shower time. Good night.